Yeah. Hey, so we here, right? Hey, I wish I was in Compton. I could have been doing this at South Park. But since I'm not in Compton doing this at South Park, let me go ahead and explain what's going on right here. This is the new ceremony. This gonna be the burn a rag, raise the flag ceremony. And we got the white candle for the spirit candle, invoke the spirit of the ancestors. We got Shango, because we know that we going to war. You feel me? We got Obatala. We'll use Obatala for that creation. We need to recreate ourselves. And we're going to use Ogun, not just for the war, but also for the tools and the building and good with those tools. We got some ashes that we about to do. And we got the rags that we go burn. So I was waiting for the light to go down a little bit. And let's get this popping. Let's start calling this. Yeah. I'm gonna get to do to get this popping, homie. All this extra, what everybody doing, we holding on to what's killing us. I'm not that, homie. I'm not. It's like a raccoon. You know a raccoon? How you catch a raccoon? You put something shiny in the box. Raccoon will reach in there, grab it, and he be stuck in the box. Have his hand stuck. His hand got to be just big enough to reach in. But when he grab whatever he get a hold to, he ain't gonna let it go. He ain't gonna get caught. That's what's happening with us. So, all the noise you hear in the back, we at Malcolm X Park, homie. Yeah. So this is what we gonna do. We move that bullet, set that bullet out there in the front. Matter of fact, since we gonna be raising the flag, set this bullet to the side. We gonna pour it out for the ancestors. I'm gonna start with my big daddy, Ashe. My grandmama S, Ashe, Tinky Marlinda, Ashe, Wolfer, Ashe, Edward, Ashe, OG Marvin, Ashe. We got here we gonna do Nipsey. You know Nipsey just passed with Nipsey, Ashe. Tupac, Ashe, Baby Lane, Ashe, Dirty Boob, I love you, cuz Ashe. Man, there's so many names for all the other brothers and sisters that I didn't name. Ashe, we're gonna do that. We're gonna say we love you. We want y'all to resurrect. Feel me? So the main reason why we doing this is because of this bullshit right here. So before we burn them, we're gonna tie them together because they gonna die together. Dig? Tie them together in the knot, make sure they die together. Then my candles went out, wind blowing real heavy. I need these. So let me bring this over here. What I want to do, I actually want to use that to burn these motherfuckers. To burn them. Let's burn them real heavy. Real heavy. And I want to make sure everything lit. Damn. We need a bottle line that thing. What's up, man?
Alright, what you want? Wait to get darker?
Yep, we'll wait till we get darker. We're about to go.
They're gonna get bigger?
Yep.
Bigger?
So let's go ahead and burn them real quick. Yeah. We'll let those things go.
Be careful, sir.
And this Slip Double City of Compton knows, so y'all know who's doing it. Anybody want to get mad about it, it is what it is. I'm front line with mine. Yeah. Black Power banging. Let me get those. Watch out. Look at those. Woo! Only look lovely. Bloods without Crips is a damn fucking Boy Scout. Crips without Bloods is a Boy Scout. Cause it ain't did nothing for the hood. Let's keep it real. It ain't did nothing for us. It ain't doing nothing for us. It ain't never doing nothing for us. So what? Let it die, homie. Stop trying to let it live and keep it going. Let it die. Let it die. Everybody's scared. What y'all scared of? Fuck's acting like some bitches, homie. Let that shit die. The shit ain't doing nothing for us. Let it die. On the real. Yeah, you can put it on it. Go ahead. My son trying to put some life on it. He wanted to live. Like, he trying to do something good. He want to put that green on it. Yeah, so we're going to let that die. We're going to let that burn right there. And then, and also, with it, so what we going to do, we're going to raise that though. It's handy. Yeah, we need a nation. Ain't no nations around here with rags, homie. All nations got flags. What's happening? RBG. Slip Double said it though. RBG. We gonna burn rags, raise the flag. Huh? No, drink it out the bottle. Right here, out that. Drink that. Boom. Look, RBG, Slip Double. Yeah, we gonna do it like that though. So what's happening? What's happening? Who else with it? Who else with it? Who ain't scared that they homeboys gonna say something? Man, burn them rags, homie. What's happening? Who gonna say something? Y'all ready for this? Or y'all wanna keep going on with the same old bullshit? Watch this. And out of everything would last is the knot, homie. The knot is the only thing that lasts out of that. So if it ain't together, homie, it's gonna die by itself. So y'all need to get y'all one of these. Let's get that burner rag, raise the flag ceremony popping, and let's keep it happening. Let's keep it popping, and let's keep building. What we gonna do? We gonna build or we gonna die? Stay straight. Slip Double. All right.
Someone's just watching you. Look.